I talk about for the first time cement industry has been started at what I said that Porbandar region in 1912, 1913. Porbandar. Understood? Where it is I said that Indian Cement Company Limited. What is the name it is I said that Indian Cement Company Limited. Then it has been started at Katani in the Madhya Pradesh in 1915. थोड़ा सा आपको historical aspect I am talking to you. Then I said that in 1915 started at Katani in 1915, and then at 1916 at Lakheri, and it is known as Portland Cement Company Limited. Portland Cement Company Limited in 1916 in Bundi district, Lakheri. So which are the, I said that important industries, cement industries, it has been started. If you see the history, I said that 1912, 1913, it is at Porbandar in the form of Indian Cement Company Limited, and then same it is started at Katani in MP, understood, and then it started in Lakheri, the region of, I said that Bundi, Lakheri district, region of Bundi district in 1960. Thereafter, you know that the cement industry keeps on growing, but we are actually importer. We are importer. So लिखेंगे till 60s and 70s, till 60s and 1960s and 70, India was importing cement but after 1980s, 1990s, decontrolling policy of Indian government, decontrolling policy of Indian government liberalized this sector. Thereafter it has been grown like anything. In any country, production of cement, next point, in any country, production of cement, in any country, production of cement gives idea that what kind of development this country is having. What kind of development this country is having. Are you agree with me? Yes? किसी भी कंट्री में यदि सीमेंट कितना प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, कहीं ना कहीं ये डेवलपमेंट का एस्पेक्ट दिखाता है कि मोर यूज इन द व्हाट कंस्ट्रक्शन, एंड इट मीन्स इट इज इन अ मोर इन द बिल्डिंग स्ट्रक्चर, इन द मोर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, आई सेड दैट इंडस्ट्रियल एस्पेक्ट, in the more in the infrastructure, road construction, understood, infrastructure and road construction. So it shows and you know that China has done a several amount. आज के डेट में देखा जाएगा तो अभी बहुत सारा उसने सीमेंट प्रोड्यूस किया है, और आपको ही पता है कि there is a more infrastructure development वर्ल्ड में, OBOR and so many things. इसका मतलब there is a high need of what? Cement. Understood? अभी इसने बहुत अमाउंट में, लार्ज अमाउंट में they have what? Produced cement. So somewhere it is an indication of what development of that region. Now, so लिखेंगे production of cement generally consumed in building structure, but highly utilized in infrastructural development, economic infrastructural development, road construction, etc. Clear? Road construction and something like other thing. And in India, next point, in India, MP region along with Chhattisgarh, in India, MP region along with Chhattisgarh is producing 22% of the total production of India. 22% of the total production of India. Total production of India. Understood? Since the presence of limestone available, more along Vindhya range, and Vindhya range, which has been started from Chittorgarh to Sasaram in Bihar. Next, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Next line. पहला कौन सबसे ज्यादा कौन प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है STL में? Which state it is producing more? MP and Chhattisgarh. Understood? MP and Chhattisgarh. Second point I said that Andhra Pradesh along with Telangana, is producing 18% of the total production of India. 18% of the total production of India. And the largest amount found in Telangana especially. Next I said that Rajasthan. Next one I said that Rajasthan. Rajasthan is producing 12 to 13% of the total production of India. Is producing around 12 to 13% of the total production of India. And it is highly concentrated. Along the Aravalli range. And in the nearby other districts like Bikaner, Jodhpur, Ganganagar and Hanumangarh. Next one, who is coming? Gujarat. So first कौन सा था? Which is the position? MP and Chhattisgarh. Second one is Andhra and Telangana. Third one I said that Rajasthan, and fourth one कौन है? जहाँ की सबसे पहले first I said that cement industry has been started. I said that initially Rajasthan was producing largest amount of cement nearby Porbandar and other region in Kathiawad and Gujarat plain. In Kathiawad and so यदि आप देखोगे तो गुजरात has been divided into physiography. What is the division of physiography of Gujarat? So आप लोग देखेंगे, this is I said that this is a Gujarat Kathiawad. ध्यान से, this is Gujarat Kathiawad. This one is Gujarat plain and this one is Kutch. So three divisions. So I am talking about in Gujarat Kathiawad and in Gujarat. I said that. Understood? Gujarat plain. Thereafter it comes the position of Karnataka. Thereafter it comes the position of, understood, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Next it is Tamil Nadu. Large availability of limestone along the coastal proximity as well as in the interior causes Tamil Nadu to be the largest producer of cement earlier in the past. But at present it is producing 9% of the total production of India. 8 to 9%. And next line. Thereafter it has been followed by Bihar. Thereafter it has been followed by Bihar. Kyunki Vindhya range has gone to till Bihar. You know that? So if you'll see in the Gaya and then Aurangabad, there is also one Aurangabad. It is not in Maharashtra, but is also one Aurangabad is in Bihar. Gaya, Aurangabad, Bhabua, these are the regions where you can be able to see large amount of what I said that. So you can be able to see first is an MP and Chhattisgarh, thereafter Andhra, and this is I said that Andhra, Telangana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and then numbering thodi galti hai. Understood? Tamil Nadu, then Karnataka, and then followed by Bihar. Understood? So got an idea about? Suppose हमें क्या करना होता है? First, if you see that how do the cement industry works, and then I said that पहले मुझे क्या निकालना होता है? Nearby mine से limestone quarry, फिर mining of limestone. Understood? Mining of limestone, and thereafter I said that यहाँ पे limestone को क्या करते हैं? Blending करते हैं, crushing and or blending is everything is going on, and in this region we are limestone is burned inside the rotary kiln. उसके बाद limestone को बहुत hard burn किया जाता है. Limestone is burned with the very high heated. Understood? Just have an idea. Understood? Burned in the, I said that rotary kilns, and thereafter it passed to the next steps जहाँ पर it is added, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं clinker. I said burned limestone, that is in a clinker, इसको blended with the fly ash, and आपको limestone. Then when I was discussing with you that I said that iron steel industry, so one it is utilized slag is coming out of it, and I said that at that time it is utilized in cement industry, and also it is utilized in the making the roads. So those slag और gypsum and fly ash अब इसके अंदर में blend किया जाता है. Understood? And thereafter it is to be formed what? Along with the, I said that bauxite, clay, and some amount of silica that has been added. So what is the first aspect of making this cement? First I said that First it is a limestone quarry, mining of limestone. Then after that limestone has been what is in a crushed in the grinder. Thereafter I said that limestone has been highly heated by the, I said that in the rotary kilns, and thereafter that is known as a clinker, and this clinker has to pass into the another chamber, jahan per it is blended with what I said that, blended with the, I said that fly ash, blended with the slag, blended with the, I said that यदि फ्लाई ऐश कर रहे हैं तो स्लैग भी कर सकते हो, कहीं पे फ्लाई ऐश ही नहीं करते हैं, कहीं पे स्लैग करते हैं, दैट इज आल्सो देयर. And then fly ash, slag, and then we can be able to see, I said that gypsum and other components that we are adding in the last. Understood? This is the way that we are making. इसका मतलब कि जितने भी थर्मल पावर प्लांट है वहाँ पे कोल मिल जाएगा. Limestone, हमारे इंडिया में several places has a thermal power plant. We have connected with the coal is coming. Understood? And limestone is available in the Rajasthan. It is available in the MP. And coal is coming for the thermal power plants. And then you know that the MP is famous for coal also. You have know that Singrauli coalfield, Umaria coalfield, Penchkana, Tawa coalfield. And also coal is nearby available. So coal से हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? Thermal power plant, and thermal power plant will be giving us what? Fly ash. And fly ash को ऐड कर देंगे. समझ में आ गया? So write down. In cement industry, cement formation follows the